box opening for the Line Friend box. I'm not feeling that good, so bear with me. I've already opened it because I am extremely, what's the word, impatient. So I know what's in it, but I was like, oh, well, I haven't seen any box opening videos yet, so I'm assuming everyone kind of got theirs the same time I did, or haven't gotten it yet. It came in a bag, and I guess it's been sitting on my porch for 2 days because I didn't notice it. Anyways, so it comes in this cute, oh man, I don't know if you can see it, this cute BT21 wrapping paper, which I thought was really cute and like a nice little detail, and then the cute little Line Friend box. I love Line Friends, like I'm not gonna lie, like Line Friends is one of the cutest little characters I think out there. Coney is one of my favorites, but they're doing a giveaway for posting a picture of your box, I think. I think that's really nice, and it's a cute little brown dressed as a T-Rex or something, so that's a really cute touch. Yeah, not feeling great. This I've been wearing all day. It's a little brown hair clip, so it's just a little clip that clips into your hair. I thought it was really cute. I'm not big on like these kind of things, but when I'm at my house, I don't care. So we'll go into this. So this is like a hair mask or a sleep mask, whatever you want to use it for. I would use it to keep my hair out of my face when doing makeup and stuff. I really don't know what this character's name is, and I feel bad about it, so I'll submit it somewhere in there. But it's a cute little panda. Pandas are always a cute little touch to anything. And here's Sally. It's a cup coaster. I've seen people get Jessica of this. I'm kind of glad that I got Sally. I just like the duck. It's cute. Jessica's cute too, but Sally's cuter. And then there's a Tata bag charm. I think it's really cute. I don't know if I can put it on my bag because my cats will try to eat it. And then there's a Sally pouch. I'm not sure what's in it, but it's super soft and squishy. It's just this big pouch, which I like pouches because I like their pens, makeup, and stuff in them. So I need like a bunch of them. So I'm glad I got that. And down at the bottom is a little Koya sitting on some gumballs. I have a set of these, the first set that came out, so I'm really excited to get some of the second set, I guess. They're the decal stickers. But it's this little Koya on a gumball machine, which is really cute. And then there is this hand mirror that is Shooky of BT21. I've seen the hand mirrors in person, but I never thought I'd get to own one because, I don't know, I just never thought I'd get one. But it is so squishy for a mirror. I'm like, oh great, so if I drop it, it won't break. I was so worried that I would drop it and shatter it or something like that, but it's so cute. And then last but not least, and very much needed, is this brown coin bank, especially with all these tours coming up. Gotta save those coins. But I think it's super cute. I haven't opened him yet because I can't locate scissors, so I will open it as soon as possible, but it is so cute. I was kind of hoping I would get Coney since they were hinting at brown and Coney coin banks, and since Coney is my favorite one, but it's okay that I got brown. I like brown, so it's so cute. And then I really kind of want to save the box because it's just cute. I probably won't save all of the boxes, but the first one, sure, why not? It's really cute. It's got all of their signatures in it, them in the back, and then all of them up here. And then it's got the normal Line Friends on the outside. So that's all that I got in this box. They are a little pricey, but looking at the prices for each individual item, you're paying less than what you would if you just bought everything on its own, which I like because I don't like spending more. I mean, who likes spending more, but spending less is always fun. So I hope you liked it.